I created these clips, including a 2-minute music video, a 3D animation powered by Seedance 2.0, and an explainer video using the MagicLight AI platform you see right here. You can not only create videos, but you can also earn from your creations. This is a safe-for-work platform that lets you create family-friendly, professional videos up to 10 minutes long, especially if you are a social media creator. MagicLight now supports a dedicated short drama video creation workflow, allowing you to generate higher-quality AI-powered drama content with just one click. This feature is designed specifically for story-driven and narrative content, letting you create character dialogues and multi-scene storytelling with a much smoother workflow. It helps you build consistent visual stories for short-form drama creation and takes you much faster from the first idea to the finished video. You can easily bring characters and stories to life with AI-powered video creation without dealing with complex editing. Let's look at the Asset Creation Center and how you can monetize your work. Users can publish reusable creative assets like custom characters, specific visual styles, or unique polish skills that format scripts. And these assets can be reused by other users on the platform. When you create these characters, styles, or polish skills, you can actually earn money when others use them. Your creative assets can become a long-term passive income stream, and these are some of the earnings of the top creators over the past 30 days. Now, check out the music video I created using the platform.
At first light, with flour on my sleeve, past the bent stone fence and the pear trees asleep. The road kept curving past the creek and the mill. I heard old windows hum when the wind stood still. Mama said, keep on if your heart wants to go. Follow the dust where the wild grasses grow. Just smiled and handed me rye. Said, look in the oven when the moon climbs high. I did, and I saw in the glow soft and gold 1,000 small stories in the hands of the old. Go on to the old windmill. Every loaf has a secret, every warm crust will. Go on, hear the flowers sing. Every loaf has a secret under one small wing. Kish now, hush now. Hush now, hush now. Kish now, hush now.
If you're someone looking to create short dramas, music videos, 3D animation videos powered by Seedance 2.0 with high-octane action scenes and dynamic camera movements, or stunning explainer videos about any topic, this platform gives you everything you need in one place. Check out this 3D animation clip powered by Seedance 2.0.
Stop right there, Simus! It is over! It is over!
Let's see how I created the 3D animation scene. Just click on the Seedance 2.0 video option right here, and you'll be directed to this interface. Click here to select the style. Here you have a lot of styles to choose from, such as 3D cartoon styles, Pixar style, comic book style, illustration, flat art, simple sketch, handcrafted, and Ghibli style. For my video, I chose the cartoon story style, which is powered by GPT Image 2. Next, you can select your story model, and I chose GPT 5.5. Right below that, you can set the duration you need. Next, you can insert your prompt right here and click on Next to generate your character sheets and then the final clip. You can click on My Creations here to access your creations. Here's the 3D animation I created using Seedance 2.0. Here are the 2 clips of 15 seconds each that were attached to our 30-second clip. You only need to click the Next button here, and then you can download the video. One of the other powerful options this platform gives you is the ability to create explainer videos. You can cover almost any topic you want within a few minutes. Check out the explainer video I created about the life of a medieval village.
The sun crests over the horizon, casting a soft glow on the thatched roofs of a quiet medieval village. Mist clings to the muddy lanes as the first light reveals timber-framed cottages and wattle and daub walls. Smoke begins to curl from stone chimneys, marking the start of a day defined by the rhythm of nature. In the fields, farmers head out with wooden tools, their wool tunics dampened by the heavy morning dew. The rhythmic clang of a blacksmith hammer echoes, signaling the village workshop is now open for business. Women gather at the central well, sharing quiet conversation while drawing water in simple clay vessels. A wooden cart creaks along the path, its iron-rimmed wheels carving deep tracks into the soft, earth-packed road. In the small market square, livestock wander between stalls where simple grains and vegetables are traded. Inside a cottage, a hearth fire crackles, casting warm light on basic wooden furniture and hand-spun textiles. A stone church stands watch in the distance, its weathered walls grounding the village in a changing world. As the sun dips low, the golden light of dusk settles over the cultivated fields and humble gardens. The village grows still, enveloped by the cooling air and the soft, settling silence of a coming night.
Unlike the 3D animation video I generated using Seedance 2.0, here you have a lot of options that really help when managing your credit balance. Once you generate the storyboards for the explainer video you want to create, you can click on the Animate option for each storyboard to select the model you want to use for that clip. Happy Horse is good if you have fast movements in your storyboard, and if you're looking for cost-efficient solutions when generating simple shots, you can use models like Seedance 1.5 Pro, VO 3.1 Lite, or Kling 2.1. After generating all the clips, you can click on the voiceover option here to select the voice. Here you can use a reference voice or even clone a voice. Below that, you have more options like accent, use case, gender, and age. For my explainer video, I used the voice called Andrew. Click on Confirm, then click on Next, and you'll be directed to subtitle settings. You can select the subtitle style here, or you can keep it disabled. Then you have the background music option, where you can enable or disable it. After that, simply click Generate, and then you can download your final video. If you want to create long, high-quality videos with consistent characters and scenes, try MagicLight AI now. You can find the link in the description and the pinned comment to try MagicLight for free. See you in the next video.